Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use an SD card module with Arduino to read and write files on an SD card. So let's get started. Here I have lots of SD card module. This SD card module is especially useful for projects that require data logging. Arduino can create a file, write and save data in micro SD card using the SD library, which I will explain later in this video. There are different models available from different vendors, but they all work in a similar way using the SPI communication. In this video I am using this module. Different Arduino boards have different SPI pins, so carefully check which Arduino board you are using. For more information, check Arduino official documentation. The first step when using the SD card module with Arduino is formatting the SD card as FAT16 or FAT32. Otherwise it will not going to work. So for formatting the SD card, insert it in your computer.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine.
After uploading the code, open the serial monitor at a baud rate 9600 and you should see your SD card information. If everything is working properly, you will see this message. Here we also have volume type and volume size information. To write and read from the SD card, first we need to include the SPI and SD libraries. We also have to initialize the SD card module at the CS pin. In our case it is pin number 4. To open a new file in the SD card, we need to create a file object that refers to our data. The first parameter of this function is the name of the file, and the file write argument enable us to read and write into the file. To write data into the currently open file, we use datafile.write, in which the data file is the file object that created previously and the data is what we want to write in the file. You can also use print or println functions to print data into the file. If we want to read the data saved in our file, we use datafile.read function. We can only write within a file at once, so we need to close a file before proceeding to the next one. So for closing a file, we use st.close function. The argument of this function is the file we want to close. For complete sketch on how to read and write, go to File, then Example, SD, open Read Write. This is a complete code that I explained. This was just a quick introduction to the SD card module with the Arduino. In my upcoming videos, I will make a lots of data logging projects, so stay tuned with Technolab Creation. Thank you.